Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Salem's New Life in Canada. Particularly the beautiful city of Niagara Falls, Ontario. I'm here na. We are here with my two boys and my husband. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be able to get updated of my new uploads sa akong mga updates. And before the end of this video, I am going to discuss with you giunsa na mo pag-arrive here in Canada, and I will share with you guys the process, the hurdles, and the challenges na amo na encounter pag-anhin na mo diri. Ako sad i-discuss the best way if you are interested sa among family as an international student. Okay guys, so meanwhile, please watch my video. Hello! Hello guys! Look at that! Rainbow side! Oh my God! Beautiful place! Oh my God, beautiful! Beautiful place! OMG, my God, amazing!
Okay. Open, ada ko wide ba, wide shot pa.
Dito. Diyan sa rainbow. Dara, rainbow ay.
Picture ka rin mo? Si picture rainbow eh.
Hi guys. Beautiful. Yeah, grabe, amazing kayo ang lugar. As in, gusto ko dito makita ang
Nakuha na siya. Sabot na baha na dito. Daghan o live.
tanaw mo, Rainbow Bridge, yun. Grabe. Oh my God.
Diri lang.
Uy, diri lang. Oh my God, side of US. Oh my God.
Na.
Wow. Wow, kato to yung rainbow. Yung rainbow siya. Wow, amazing. Kasi maapot sa diri sa ako guys. Grabe, ang karing mo, kusog kayo. Wow. Wow, I can't believe. Apot ko diri. Oh my God. Amazing. Wow, na rainbow. Wow, guys. Nice kayo. Wow. Wow. Kaning na rainbow. Nag-rainbow.
Oo. Lamay, agad na. Bye. Lamay. Asa mo dito? Amo view kini. Ala, tawa. Kana pilyo. Ako lusod. Dara mo diha eh. Dara, doon na ta.
siya. Karon na waning saka ang rainbow. Marag mag-follow siya kung usa na ang oras o ang adlaw. Like ka? No? Tinawa. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful but maybe scary kung anak ka diha saka man. Lunod ka dira. Loka. Oy. OMG. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Bye guys.
Hi guys! Mauto ang amang very first tour dito sa amazing place. Ang best place pagyud, Niagara, the falls itself. It's really, really amazing to witness the wonderful creation of the Lord. Grabe gyud kaayo, wa kaingon ka nga wow, wow. As you can notice there sa akong video, sige na kong ingog, wow, 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 amazing, because this place is really amazing. Nice jud kaayo, and you have to go here to watch that falls. It was really a dream come true to me. Nakaadto na gyud ko dito. I said, hala, nagdamgo ko. This is real. Oh, I see the ang current nga paspas kaayo nga dako kay wide in Canada side. And then you can see the US side. So, we had a vacation in 2019 dito mi sa New York sa US side. Now, it is really true na nice di ay ang Canada side. So guys, that was really fun and amazing experience. And now, we are here in Canada na, di ba? So I will talk about, as mentioned, about our journey in coming here to Canada, no? So way back last year, I applied as a college student in New Brunswick. Ingon sila, New Brunswick is a quiet place, kanang laid back, but I saw the video in the vlog, kanang nice ra, kanang very simple living lang dito. So we decided also to, at first, na adto lang mi dito. In fact, I applied as a college student, business ad. I got approved, but only me, because the rules were changed last quarter of last year. So, mauto na, I can't bring my family here. So, we decided to find another pathway. So, mauto ako, husband nag-research. So, he found the masteral student pathway in New Brunswick, University of New Brunswick, and Niagara Falls, University of Niagara Falls. However, sa duha, we chose the UNFC. That's why we are here now in Niagara. And guys, ako lang tip, if you are interested to apply like me as a masteral student, please be reminded or bear in mind na you should choose the 18 months or more na masteral, the period of your masteral study, because if it's below 18 months, dili siya mo qualify sa PGWP. So, that is why mauna akong gikuha sa UNFC is 1.5 years. Just a tip, guys. Also, another tip is choose the best province where you think it is easy for you to find a house. So, next vlog na aming house hunting, where there are jobs you can apply to, like us, we are still applying. And of course, ang prayers di yun na mawala. If wala paghihatag, maybe we have to wait. Basta trusting God's plan lang yun mi diri sa Canada, sa Niagara Falls. So, thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Until next vlog. Bye guys!